Replacing your windows is a significant investment in your home. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, or simply upgrade your space, choosing the right window replacement company is crucial. With numerous companies in Birmingham offering this service, it can be challenging to make an informed decision. This guide will help you navigate the process and select the best company for your needs. Research the company's reputation. Before making any decisions, start by researching window replacement companies in Birmingham. Begin with online reviews, testimonials, and ratings from past customers. Websites such as Trustpilot, Google Reviews, or the Better Business Bureau can give you an insight into the experiences of other homeowners who have used these services. A company with a positive reputation and a history of satisfied customers is more likely to provide quality products and service. Word of mouth can also be a valuable tool. Ask your friends, family, or neighbors if they've had any recent window replacement projects and if they would recommend their provider. Personal referrals can give you peace of mind that the company has a proven track record. Verify credentials and experience. A trustworthy window replacement company should be licensed and insured. This protects both you and the company in the event of any accidents or damages during the installation process. Additionally, check if the company has any industry certifications or affiliations with professional organizations, such as FENSA or CERTAS, which demonstrate adherence to building regulations and standards. Experience is another critical factor. An established company that has been operating for several years is likely to have the expertise and knowledge to handle any window replacement project, no matter how complex. They should also be familiar with local building codes and regulations in Birmingham, ensuring your installation is compliant and problem-free. Get multiple quotes. Window replacement can be costly, so it's important to get multiple quotes from different companies. This will give you a better understanding of the price range for your project and help you make an informed decision. Be wary of companies that offer unusually low prices, as this could indicate subpar materials or substandard installation. When requesting quotes, be clear about your needs, including the number of windows you wish to replace, the type of windows you prefer, e.g., double-glazed, sash, or casement, and any additional services like disposal of old windows. A reputable company will provide a detailed, written estimate that outlines the cost of materials, labor, and any other fees. Ask about warranty and after-sales service. A reliable window replacement company should offer a solid warranty on both the materials and installation. This gives you peace of mind knowing that the company stands behind its work and will address any issues that arise after the installation. Warranties can range from a few years to a lifetime, so ensure you understand the terms and what's covered before signing a contract. In addition to a warranty, inquire about the company's after-sales service. Will they provide ongoing support if you encounter any issues with your windows? Good customer service doesn't stop once the job is done. A reputable company should be willing to assist with any maintenance or repairs down the line. Consider the range of products offered. Window replacement companies may offer a variety of window styles, brands, and materials. If you have specific preferences regarding aesthetics, energy efficiency, or sustainability, make sure the company offers the products that meet your criteria. Popular window materials include UPVC, wood, and aluminum, each offering different benefits in terms of durability, insulation, and aesthetics. The company should be able to advise you on the best options for your home and budget. For instance, if you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, you may want to consider energy-rated windows that can reduce your heating and cooling costs. Review the installation process. A smooth installation process is essential for the success of your window replacement project. Ask the company about the timeline for installation and what to expect on the day of the project. How long will it take? Will the installation team handle the disposal of old windows? Are there any additional costs or steps you should be aware of? A professional company will ensure that the installation process is as efficient and hassle-free as possible, with minimal disruption to your daily life. Look for a local company. Choosing a local window replacement company in Birmingham can be advantageous. A local company will be familiar with the area's climate, architectural styles, and specific regulations. Additionally, it's easier to reach out to a local company for any future needs, whether for maintenance or repairs. By selecting a Birmingham-based company, you're also supporting the local economy and ensuring that the company is invested in maintaining a positive reputation within the community. Conclusion. Selecting the right window replacement company in Birmingham doesn't have to be overwhelming. By researching companies, verifying credentials, obtaining multiple quotes, understanding warranties, and choosing a company that offers a range of products and excellent customer service, you can make a well-informed decision that benefits your home and your budget. Taking the time to evaluate your options will result in a smoother, more successful window replacement project that enhances the beauty, comfort, and energy efficiency of your home for years to come.